What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. As you can tell from the title, the thumbnail, and as you can tell from the shirt that I am wearing, we are going to be looking at the Nike Air Max 1 in the Evergreen colorway. As you can see, this is a very beautiful sneaker. I actually was able to go ahead and hit on Nike sneakers last year when this dropped, and I was just extremely thankful because this is the one sneaker that I actually really wanted last year, considering the fact that it is an Air Max 1 and considering the fact that it is green. And if you've been following me on the channel for a while, then you know green is my favorite color ever. So I'm extremely happy to bring this review for you guys, and let's get straight into it. Before we get straight into it though, I need to let you guys know I do appreciate all the love and support that you guys show. It greatly means a lot to me. We are currently on the grindage, yes, the grindage to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. And truthfully guys, I really believe we're gonna hit it probably even before, like, honestly, June. I just really appreciate the love and support that you guys really do show. It means tremendous to me. It means tremendous to me. I really appreciate it. All the love, all the comments, all the support, it's just everything. And I really I do not take that stuff for granted, guys. So I want you to know I'm extremely thankful. So thank you. So without further ado, now let's get straight into this review. But first, you know how we do it on this channel. We like to be color coordinate with the product that we're reviewing. The product color theme of this is green, so you already know we're gonna be wearing green. Gotta get my headband, and I'll be back right now. Okay, I'm back. The kid got that green headband on. As you can see, we looking nice and clean, and we're gonna go straight into this unboxing. So first and foremost, let me go ahead and actually get my knife. Let me go ahead and peel this back like so. And like I said, I was able to go ahead and hit on Nike sneakers as of last year. There was actually two colorways that came out in this silhouette. There was the Evergreen, which we're looking at today, and then there was the Magma Orange. I'm probably butchering the name. I don't know if it's Magma Orange, but there was an orange. I'll post a picture right here so you guys can see that. And I am on the hunt for that as well. So as we open up the box, we go ahead and take out our package. And the Air Max 1 comes in a regular standard Nike box. You do have, like all Air Maxes kind of usually come in, you do have the red box with the Nike lettering all around the side of the box. Very clean. So I'm actually going to read the sizing tag for you guys now. We are looking at the Nike Air Max 1 in the white Evergreen Aura, size 11.5, and the retail price for this was $140. And it's actually crazy considering that these were $140, but if you look at the price nowadays, these are almost like a $300 shoe, which is really insane. So as we go ahead, I'm gonna go and actually show you guys, give you guys a better overview of the, the box. So as we go ahead and lift up like this, this is like the favorite part. This is my favorite part of like the video. You always, you get to actually see the surprise. So lift up the paper and there they go right there, man. There they go right there. The left pair. Let me go ahead and take out and the right pair. So let's go ahead, put everything back nice and neat. Put the box right there. Thank you, box. Then we are going to be taking a look at the left pair first. So there they go right here. This is the Nike Air Max 1 in the Evergreen colorway. Such a immaculate sneaker. Oh my god, this is an immaculate shoe. I am extremely happy I went ahead and picked this up, and I'm grateful that I have it. So let's go straight with the outsole. Actually, let's go and review the right one because it kind of looks better on the camera when we review it. So looking at the outsole, you do have almost really like a four-tone. You have that black, you have white, you have, actually, you know what? Yeah, you have black, you have white, and then you do have green. Looking a little bit closer, it does have Air on the bottom of the outsole right there, and if you can see right there, it does have a little Nike check mark on there, which is very cute. Then as you go looking up to the midsole, don't really know what that is right there. Let me just brush that off. And as we work our way up to the midsole, it is a nice white marshmallowy midsole, which you got your Air unit right there. Very beautiful. The midsole is all white. It goes all the way around the sneaker. Very clean. As we move up even more, we are hit with that Evergreen color. Very clean. I honestly think this is a very fire colorway. As we move up even more, we have that green Evergreen swoosh, which I think they did a great job executing. Then as we go up to the eyelets. We do have the green eyelets right there, as you can see. It's very, very fire. And then kind of taking it back, looking over around, looking at the tongue right here too. You do have that Nike Air. It does say, hold on, let me see it for you guys. It does say Air Max in that green evergreen color. Very, very fire. And then as we look in the back, it does, you do hit that logo, the Nike Air, which is also in that evergreen color. So I think they did a phenomenal job with this sneaker as well. Giving you guys more of an overlook as well too. I want you guys to kind of go ahead and see. This is the Nike Air, the insole that's in there, very fire. And you do have a green insole with the white font. Honestly, beautiful. Man, this is a beautiful sneaker. I'm so happy I was able to go ahead and get these. I really was. Like I said, I'm on the hunt for the orange pair, and I'm on the hunt for the red pair, which I probably won't get no time soon, considering the fact that those are probably really expensive nowadays. Nonetheless, I'm so happy I picked these up last year. Now this was a late review, but I still wanted to go ahead and get it out for you guys. That way you guys can see it, and you can go ahead and, you know, determine if this is a shoe that you ever go and get in the near future. So comment down below and let me know if this is a sneaker that you like. I am gonna give you guys a quick little overview so you can see the sneaker. Just look at that. Just a beautiful shoe. I mean, I just can't believe that I'm actually have these sneakers, really. I'm happy that I was able to go ahead and get them, like I said, and I stated. I really wish, man, I really wish I would have doubled up on this shoe. I really, really do wish. Me trying to acquire this shoe now, it's a little bit tough considering the fact that the retail price on these things are, you know, they're kind of up there now. And it's crazy for some Air Maxes, you know, like, it used to not be like that, but times have changed. So this is gonna go ahead and conclude the video. Wow, that sun came out of nowhere. What? That sun came out of nowhere. This is gonna go ahead and conclude the video today, guys. I really do hope you appreciate the video. Hope you liked the video. Comment down below, let me know what was your favorite part of the video. If this is a sneaker that you're gonna go after, to let me know all of that below. Also, thank you for the love and support that you guys show. I'm gonna go ahead and break these on feet for you guys. That way you can get a better perspective on it. Before I go though, good luck everyone tomorrow. If you are going for those Air Jordan 4 University Blues, I know I am. I probably won't hit on anything, honestly, just how it is. But if you are going for those, good luck. I pray that everyone gets, you know, the sneaker that they want. I pray that if you're going for a specific size you want, you get it, whether it's for resale, whether it's for on feet. I just pray that you do get it. So if you do get it, by the way, too, go ahead and make sure you come back to this video and you tell me that you get it. That way I can actually go ahead and, you know, congratulate you and just, you know, show you guys appreciation. So with all that out of the way, this is gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. I hope you guys do have a great day. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Love you. Peace.